Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HardblockElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So today we are working on a Ameritron Al811h. Going through it. This is one I'm selling to a customer as a gone through unit. So already put a new set of filter caps in. Here are the old ones. I always change these ones out. The arrow type. The bleeders are good. There's a new plate choke. Someone blew it open and twisted the wires together, so I'm going to replace that. Do everything else I normally do. Needs a string of diodes on the backboard. Needs the bias mod done. Needs a new SO239. Says these little phenolic type. So I got my SO239s from Alan Bond at Max Gain Systems. It's getting a brand new set of Penta tubes. Awesome company. Someone changed the power cord. They did a really bad job. So look at that. So I'm going to install the proper power cord. I'm going to do everything to it. It's going to be better than new. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I took the socket assembly out, grounded the grids right to the metal, compressed the socket clips, fixed solder joints, grounded the grids right to the metal, added a gas discharge tube on each side of the filament. You have 4 tubes, 1 filament per tube, and they're all parallel, so I only need 1 per side. I'll be adding a longer screw for the plate choke. You can see it's so tiny, so short, barely catches. Added the diodes. This one did not have the diodes between the center tap and the TR/bias relay. This has the better type of relay. SO239s. Did the bias mod and fixed solder joints, yada yada yada, a new cord. So I will touch base when it's all done, and I'll go over everything. So see you soon. Stay tuned. So I'm back with the completed amp. I'll show what I did when I'm done with this video. Customer wanted to see it working on 20 meters. He wanted it on 14.325, so that's where I'm going to show the test. So radio, 1 kW slug, it's on PEP. Audio hello, audio hello, 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 audio hello, hello, 800, 800, 800. Hello, 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 no reflect. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Roughly 50 watts or so. Audio hello, hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Works as it should. So I already did 160, 80, 40, 20. I'm going to go to 15 and 10. And then I'll let it cool off, take the cover off, and show you what I did. So stay tuned. See you soon. So we're back with the completed Ameritron Al811h. Tested it, works as it should. So I'm going to go over everything I did real quick. And I have more stuff to do, fun. So I replaced the switch that someone changed. Now they all match. Brand new set of Penta tubes. Got rid of that funky cord, the proper cord in. Stock cord, strain relief, and clamp and all that. So new choke, new parasitic board. You saw what I did under the sockets, grounded the grids, added the gas discharge tubes, compressed the socket clips, cleaned them with the Oxy Gold, cleaned the input rotary switch with the Oxy Gold, cleaned the output rotary switch / band switch with the Oxy Gold, added the solder tap for the choke, for the safety choke. Changed the filter caps. Resistors were good, so I didn't have to mess with those. Bias modification, added the diodes to the board. Whenever you ground the grids, you have to add those diodes. The EMF protection diode across the relay coil was shorted, so I replaced that. Put in new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. And meter protection diode's okay. I think that's about it. So this thing needed a lot of work. So, if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Any of the amplifiers you see on my YouTube, minus the AZF FL2100B, I don't work on those anymore. Just not worth it. And check out my other website, HarbachElectronics.com. So amprepairguy.com, also HarbachElectronics.com. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I worked on a 30L1 yesterday, had it all done. Then I noticed someone worked on it and changed a resistor. It was supposed to be a 47 ohm, 12 watt. They put in a 4.7 ohm for the circuit that powers the TR/bias relay. So I had to order one, so when that comes in, I'll get back on that, finish that up, and you'll see a video on that. That thing needed a lot of work. I have a Kenwood TL922 I'm working on tomorrow. I have two more of those here, so I think I have 3. So lots more to come. So I have all the parts for the Kenwood. I'll get on that tomorrow, and just been jam-packed with Harbach stuff. Yes, I'm still here, just 2 hands, and I'm doing other things than YouTube videos and stuff, you know, so sometimes a lot of times I'm doing other stuff. So again, if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. 73.